Follett manufactures ice machines for the food service and medical industries.
Hey, what's up? You look upset.
I'm just worried.
About what?
The future. I don't know what I'm gonna do after high school. I mean, I don't want to go to college, but I don't want to work at a fast food restaurant. I wish there were more options.
There is!
What? What do you mean?
Come on, I'll show you. Follett Ice is just one example of a company with manufacturing jobs that are available to students right out of high school.
Ice? Are you sure about this, dude?
Definitely! Ice is really cool!
Oh gosh.
No, really. Follett Ice has lots of opportunities. Listen to these guys.
Everything here at Follett, you can absolutely, with a high school diploma, you can come straight in here and work any job. They taught me how to weld here, actually. I feel like if you go to a technical school, you can get your foot in the door somewhere as great as Follett. Honestly, Follett is a great place to work.
It's a steady pay, guaranteed 40 hours. You got good co-workers you work with. They help you out through everything. Went to CIT. Over there we had welding and machine tools.
Went for HVAC certification right out of high school. I took the test and it gave me the opportunity to do co-op. And then when I came here, it just gave me a little bit of a leg up. You come here and you can do any job. You can learn on the jobs. You can never have enough knowledge working with your hands.
I think there's a lot of shop classes that help just some fundamental skills in understanding tolerances, understanding how things are made, and I think that's valuable. Anywhere you go to develop yourself is good, and I think it's a great environment here at Follett.
The more successful manufacturing is, the more growth there is in a company and the more opportunities there are for the person that's doing the manufacturing jobs. So you could start manufacturing the product with your hands with automation. You could grow into a supervisory position. You can grow into a technical position. So there's lots of ways that you can grow from manufacturing. I think the greatest achievement is creating an environment where people can stay here for a while and make a living doing this and to support their families.
Huh, I never knew that I had that many opportunities after high school.
That's what's so cool about manufacturing.